Hi folks, this is Beginning Algebra, Quiz 10. We're asked to use properties of exponents to simplify and to write our final answers using only positive exponents. So, part A here, remember we can use the associative and commutative properties of multiplication. So I'm going to rewrite this as negative 3 times 2. So I'm going to multiply the constants together. I have x squared times x to the fifth. I have y times y cubed. The negative 3 times the 2 is a negative 6. When I have the same base, when I'm multiplying exponential equations with the same base, I add the exponents. So the 2 plus the 5 gives me 7. So I have x to the 7th. Here I have the same base. And remember, y is the same as y to the first power. So I add the exponents there and get y to the 4th. So part A is negative 6 x to the 7th, y to the 4th. And part B, I have a product to a power, and so what I can do is I can take each of those factors then to that power. So the 3 squared is 9. And when I have a power to a power, I multiply these exponents. So this is going to be x to the 10th. And so part B then is 9x to the 10th. Letter C. I can start to simplify these coefficients right away. So I'm going to have 3. And now I look at what's happening. I'm dividing. And when I divide with the same base, I subtract the exponents. So I have x to the 4 minus 3, using the quotient rule, y to the, and once again, y is the same as y to the first power, so I have that. So I get 3 x to the first, y to the negative 4th. And remember, the directions indicate that we need to use only positive exponents in our final answer. So the 3x to the first is 3x. The negative on this exponent is going to shift that y to the 4th to the denominator. And so for part C, it's 3x divided by y to the 4th. And finally, part D, we have a negative 1 exponent. That negative 1 exponent is going to flip the fraction. So this is going to be 6y cubed divided by 2x. And the only simplification we can do here is with these coefficients. And I get 3y cubed over x. So that'll do it for quiz 10.